Married men have read it. What moment with your future wife made you think, yup, I'm asking this girl to marry me? 1. When she was meeting my parents, she put together an outfit and asked, what do you think? Does this say, hey parents, look at me, I'm awesome? Or I slept with your son on the first date? 2. The day she took off work to help me go through a dumpster. I had accidentally thrown my keys in the trash while cleaning out my car. Took us 2 hours. 3. I was 18 and just got out of a dental appointment where 2 of my wisdom teeth were pulled out. I was drooling, stains of blood all over my shirt, and it was the summertime. My GF at the time was 16. Took what little money she had from her allowance, bought me a box of ice cream and biked 25 minutes just to deliver that box of ice cream and see how I was doing. With bloodstains all over, she still gave me that look of love and planted a kiss on me. That was almost 20 years ago, and I still can't imagine having a happier life without her in it. 4. When I first told my father that I was dating someone new, he jokingly asked, what's her name? What does she do? What's her bra size?